Hello viewers, thank you very much for joining us today. So in today's video, I'm going to discuss about the best opportunity that I can bring to you. And this is none other than Deloitte jobs that I have here. So totally I have three jobs here and these are kind of for freshers and those who have 1 to 2 years experience. There were also other opportunities, but for them more experience was needed. So I did not mention them. But if you think that you will need to know about all other jobs which are available with more experience, then please let me know in comment sections so I can also mention them and make videos on them. So we will start. These three positions are only for Hyderabad. So the first one that I'm talking about is with the name HRS Learning Support Services. So basically you can understand what your role will be there. There will be a lot of things that you will have to do for learning support. For example, you will have to arrange classes, you will have to take care of notes, you will have to update other teams and alike. So this will be typically a kind of arrangements that you will have to do for online classes. You will have to do a lot of things, and also you will have to bring data to other team and also to talk with your senior. So I don't think this is something that we cannot do as a graduate. I know if you are working for Deloitte, then you will have to have good level of communication and knowledge, etc. But I think this can be done by any graduate very easily. So there is no specific mention for qualification of this job. So this means that freshers are eligible, even 12th pass can apply. Although I do not know whether they will select or not, but you can apply. So typically if someone is graduate and has communication skill, then he or she can surely apply and join. So this is for first position and first job update that I have. I will give you the link. Please remember, HRS Learning Support Services Analyst. This is the job and this is for Hyderabad. So please do apply for this. Now I'll go to talk about second job offer that I have from Deloitte, and this again is for Hyderabad. So this is for Junior Analyst Digital Learning Hyderabad. So this is a kind of similar position, but this is a bit better. This is the second level. If that was the first level HRS, then this is Junior Analyst is the second level for the same job and the same role. So you can understand what the job role will be here. It will be almost the same of HRS Learning Support, but here you will have to do a bit advanced work, and that is the reason the company is asking for graduation and also 1 to 2 years of experience of corporate environment. That means if you are belonging to any field, if you have total experience 1 to 2 years, then you can surely apply here. Okay, and the typical nature will be the same, although the work level will be a bit higher. Like company mentions setup and maintenance of participant regional system. Apart from this, there will be updates about tax which will have to be updated by you if you get a chance to join. So this will be a typical work, and I do not think that you cannot do. All of us can do, and that is the reason I'm requesting to apply here. Okay, so now I'll go ahead and I'll talk about the third offer that I have here for you, and this is almost the same to junior analyst. The name of this post is digital specialist, digital learning. So you can understand once again what the role will be here. This will be again almost similar to junior analyst, but it will be more related to digital platform that we try to provide as a service. So here you will have to once again conduct classes, you will have to take updates about classes, what improvements can be made here. These kind of typical things will be done, and once again the work nature will be the same as I mentioned previously, and the work time is given, or the duty hours will be from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. This will be your shift time, and apart from work nature, everything is given here already, and I have given you updates. I will mention these links in the description. Please check and apply. So to apply, you will have to first sign up. After signing up, you can go ahead and apply. There will be set of questions that will be asked. If you face any kind of issue, then please contact me and let me know. You can comment here or DM me on Instagram. I will leave my ID there. Okay, so I request people to join and apply here, and also share with others who are in need of job and this can suit them, especially the first one, HR learning support, because almost everyone can apply here. And if you apply and start your career with Deloitte, then there is nothing as beautiful as it as like a Deloitte, and this will surely give a boost to your career. So I request you to also join us and like and subscribe, especially subscribe so I can bring other opportunities, because now I'm going to be serious and I'm going to give job updates almost every day, 1 to 2 videos. So I've already uploaded a video today and this is the second video. The first one I have already uploaded about Dell. That is also a very good opportunity. You can go ahead and check. I'll give the link in description. And for more updates, please do follow me. Thank you.